समर में फ्रूट्स की एक अलग ही जगह है और अगर आप सिर्फ फ्रूट सलाद बोल या फ्रूट जूस के बारे में सोच रहे हो, then let me open up a whole new world of fruits to you, exploring the natural sweetness of fruits to create stunning desserts perfect for your summer brunches and house parties. It's so much fun. If this tantalizes your taste buds, come join me for an interesting masterclass on Flavourful Fruit Desserts with Masala Box on 10th June at 4:30 p.m. and add a fruity punch to your summer. We are going to learn how to make layered fruit crumble with a combination of different fruits and an interesting fruit-laden cupcake variety that you and your guests would love to indulge in. Click on the link in the bio and register this session so that you know how to literally enjoy the fruits of your labor and also satiate your sweet tooth at the same time.